Hello everybody and welcome for a new video about 3D. So I'm learning Blender at this time and I'm trying some things to figure out what style I am in designing models. So here I'm trying to make some easy polygons shape room. I don't know the name of this style of building, but it's kind of like simple forms without any complications, but with rounded corners and maybe not so many colors. Like it's very simple, no textures and others. So I tried in the previous episodes to make things with a lot of textures, and here I'm trying to make it with the shading options. So it's very difficult, but when you get it right, it's simple and actually pretty fast. So I'm designing a shape. It's like the office of my father, so it's his room where he works, but it's in a kind of simplified version. I choose that because there is a lot of things to do in that room and it can be very interesting. So as you can see, I cut this thing. It's I will find the word back. Something to just pack and put your things in. It's not an armory because that it's a French English word. This is I will find it. So I'm making the windows right now because there is a big window in it, and I will make a fake window because I don't want it to be able to see through that. I will make a fake window because in such a style like this, you don't need to make see-through windows. You need to make just windows that are able to emit light, but nothing more. So there is something to grab the window and open it as well. So I will look on internet what's the word for the thing on the left, and then I need to make the desk. So let's finish the window while I'm looking for the word. By the way, the music is very nice, it's Terraria music. Yes, it's a cabinet. I think YouTube says it's a cabinet, but it can be used as a closet. I don't like the words. A locker. It's more like a locker. I don't know. It's this type of things that I like by making videos in English. I look for words and I find them after a long time, or not actually. Some of you help me to find them, but after some weeks I completely forgot what I was talking about in the video, so it's not useful. Like the last video, I completely forgot one word. You said me what it was, but I forgot what I was looking for. So yes, it helped me because I learned something, but not that much. This is a radiator. I think the word is correct, but my pronunciation isn't. It's kind of simple design, like it's normal. I made it by multiplicating some faces on the wall, but I think it works for a simple radiator. I could have made that more complex, but I think this one is nice. We need to make the desk right now, so there is 2 feet on this desk. Is an easy one to design, it's not this complex, and I do really like the style in 3D. It looks nice with that. I can then just blend and fit nice the corners. I do not, it's not blend, but it's cut the edges and other. After I will paint them all, but I changed some colors because a lot of stuff was white in the original room, so I wanted them to be like a little bit more colorful. This is the screen, so I made incurved screen, something that is not flat. I will say that it's easier. but this one completely crashed my computer. I had to restart all because I don't save the, because yes, I'm too stupid to think about 2 seconds of saving my scene. So I made this by subtracting 2 circles. It was way easier and it don't crash my computer, so we can put some support in it because we need to support the screen to not fall. I can animate that with gravity and other, but it will completely burn my computer, I think. So let's just make normal rooms with normal features. And yes, for the fit I used the screen but with a modified thing. So we need to combine them all in one object and we can place it on the desk. I will make a very simple laptop with even not a screen, because I tried to put a screen inside it, but it didn't work well with the renders and the combinations. So as you can see, we have the screen, but when I made that, it disappeared and looked not like a screen. So I completely deleted it. It was easier, and for the render it will be easier. I can animate some characters to walk in that type of room. I think I will make a lot of them and make some characters walk in and other. I really love this type of environments, but I prefer things more complex with a lot of stuff and little details. It feels more like 3D art like than this thing. So this is a piano, in case of you were wondering. We need to just place some tiles on it. We'll say tiles, but I don't know the real name of that. So of course I don't made that all one by one. I just selected one and multiplied it like 2 or 3 times to make those ones, and I multiplied it with the tool that you can see on the right. I don't know the name of this one. It worked great. I just only needed to multiply 2 more, but at the end of it, it's not the correct place of the piano tiles, but I thought it was beautiful and nice looking. No one will notice that this is not the correct piano and that one tile is missing. So we only need to make the chair right now, and after to paint them all, because of course the room without paint is not beautiful. And as you can see, if I add some shapes, the corners are less rounded, so I don't know why, but we'll try to figure out in the next videos. So the next video is a fireball. It's not a fireball, but it's like a meteorite. So I call it a fireball because it's fire and it's burning and it makes like it's moving, but it's not, because it was too complex to make it move. So I made it completely still and with some particles that are going in one way, so it looks like it's moving, but it's not. I think I will turn my channel little by little on completely 3D design, and then I will maybe make a channel for gaming, but I want my channel to be on 3D design because I want to be a 3D designer and not a gamer. It's way more fun to make your own 3D design than just playing at a game that other persons have made. So this chair is not really nice looking. I will invent something for the next videos, because recreating something is a good thing to learn how to do 3D design, but it's not a good thing to express your imagination. So for the pillow, it's a thing that I learned on YouTube. Apparently, if you use icosphere to make this, it works great, and as you can see, it's pretty nice for a pillow. So I took a long time to make all correct and then to paint them, but that's almost the final render, so I'm pretty proud of it. You can comment in the comments what do you think of that. The paint is really approximative for the piano, but it works. So this is the room without colors, and with colors I'm pretty proud of my result. Thank you for watching, and I hope see you for the next video. At least enjoy your day.